Hey there, it's Chrissy with Vending Factory, and I'm going to be talking about the best vending machines to purchase this year. Okay. So, if you are just getting into the vending machine business, you're new to the vending machine business, you have questions about the vending machine business, this is the perfect channel for you to get your vending machine business started. So, today I'm going to go into some of the vending machines that I like, the vending machine brands that I like, and the brands that are going to do your business good. So, comment, like, share, subscribe. I want you guys to get this information ongoing, and you can get notifications on when I will be going on live or when I'll be uploading another video. So let's get into it. I'm excited. The first vending machine brand that I always stand by, I'm talking about, like, I literally have stood by this brand forever. And no, I do not get a commission off naming them or any of that stuff. I just absolutely love them. I got started with them when I first got started in the vending machine business, and that is it is an AP, and it's also called an automatic product. So this vending machine, I started, it was my first vending machine. This vending machine was worth like $1,200, over $1,200. But I got this vending machine for $600. It was literally $650. And it was what we call refurbished. We'll talk about that a little later though. So I love AP. Comes in snack vending machines. It's a good vending machine because it's a great used machine. And the number one thing that I always do is when you purchase your first vending machine, you want to know how to fix it and how to work it and how it functions. And that way, the next vending machine that you buy, maybe it's the same brand. If it is the same brand, guess what? You now know how to fix that second vending machine, and you're not paying someone $100 an hour just to fix your machine. Keep that in mind. So you got AP, great vending machine that you can buy, great brand. And yeah, there are different types of APs, right? So that's the brand. And then you have different model numbers. So you want to keep up with like the newer model numbers. I'll post some model numbers that are good for you to look into. So again, AP is the brand, but the model number is important. So keep that in mind. All right. So the next vending machine brand that I absolutely love is AMS. AMS. All right. AMS is a little bit on the pricier side when it comes to buying machines, but such a great brand. Let me tell you, a lot of their model numbers are like A1. I love AMS. They have them in the combo machines as well. AMS is pretty dope. You're going to get a really good vending machine. And yes, you can buy these vending machines for around $1,500, $1,200. You just got to find one that is at a good buy. All right. And you got to know how to look for it, when to look for it, all that good stuff. So AMS, top of the list. Next vending machine brand that I'm going to name is a vending machine brand that I haven't always named when I first got started in vending. I did not always like these vending machine brands at all, or this vending machine brand at all. But over the years, I've come to love this vending machine brand because I'm noticing that they don't have as many issues when it comes to fixing them. They don't cost as much to fix them. And you can find some really good ones, like really good model numbers, and it lasts you just like an AP. So I do like Crane. Crane, that's Crane. Crane is a really good vending machine to buy. All right. So I do like Crane vending machines. So now let's switch to soda. Let's switch to soda. All right. So for soda vending machines, a vending machine I like is called a Dixie Narco. Dixie Narco. So a Dixie Narco vending machine is one of those vending machine brands. It's an older vending machine brand. You've seen them literally everywhere. And it's a great brand to have. It's a great brand to have. So Dixie Narco, I like them. It's a soda vending machine. And the next one is called a Vendo, Vendo. I like Vendos as well. And that's for the drink side. Now, there's several different types of vending machine brands out there that I do like, but these are just a couple. And so I feel like they're really, really important for you to know. I do want to switch to another thing that's super important that I feel like people don't really understand when it comes to vending and keeping, and this is keeping in mind that there are some really bad vending machines out there that you can buy. Bad, bad, bad. Stay away from. It looks good when someone's selling it to you. It sounds good, but when you go to have that machine inside of your brand, now it's giving you issues and you're wondering like, what did I get myself into? So this vending machine brand is something that I tell everybody to like stay away from. Don't get caught up in it. Not something I recommend. And this vending machine brand is called Asega. Seaga. It is called Asega. So Asega vending machine, it's one of those. You ever hear like the phrase like looks good on the outside, but like cold hearted on the inside, and like, yeah, that's what a Sega is. A Sega is so nice on the outside, okay? But Segas do give you problems. Now, here's the thing. We're going to talk about it in another video, but Sega actually merged with another vending machine brand. So Sega, again, it's actually merged with another vending machine brand that I absolutely love, but we'll talk about that in another video and what that means for the company. But I will say, looking at especially the older Sega vending machines, they have given several people problems that I know of. So be very careful about that. All right. So any type of like older type of vending machines, y'all, you want to stay away. Like if you don't know, ask, because it's better to find a vending machine that is good and in working condition than just getting something that's not going to do the job. And guess what? Now you're going to be out of money, and now you're spending money on a vending machine that doesn't even work. So yeah. So guys, that is what I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, please comment what you would like to see, what different things you'd like me to talk about. Comment down below your favorite part of this video. Comment down below what questions you guys have. And you can follow us on Vending Factory on Facebook, and it's called Vending Factory 1 on Instagram. Again, thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Super excited for you to be tuning in, and I'm looking forward to the future and helping you to find your first vending machine location. If you need a vending machine location, please go ahead and click on the link below. We find vending machine locations for people like you. Super excited. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until the next video, I will see you soon. It's an older video.